My Rabbi is Allah.
Man Nabiyuka.
My Nabi is Hazrat Muhammad. Sir, we can suggest someone, but we cannot change the mind of the people.
That is what I'm saying कि आपकी क्या ऐसी बात होगी जो mind change कर. He criticized me.
Yes.
I want to kill him.
If he is criticizing to you, so you have to take this criticism as a challenge
Okay.
and try to work on yourself.
You want to say that we should follow the path of the Gandhi ji, that if somebody slaps on right cheek, we should give the left cheek, right? ये मार लियो, थोड़ा इस पे भी मार लो. Abdur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Abdur Rahman, I heard about you that
No, sir, I don't think.
you don't think you are not a bad boy, but I have heard about you that you are a bad boy. Somebody said about you.
From where you?
I heard it's on your area, from your mohalla actually.
Okay.
So why were they talking about you that you are a bad boy?
I don't think I am a bad boy because I never did a mistake or I never talk with a bad manner with anybody in my villages. So I don't think I'm a bad boy, and it's a
Do you not get angry in your life?
yeah, I got angry sometime, but it's not in my village. It's somewhere and
You have never got angry in your village.
no.
If I just put this pen on your hand, will you get angry or not?
No, I will try to manage the situation first.
How will you manage that situation? There is your hand and I just, did like this.
I will try to remove this hand from my body.
So I may fall down and then I may get angry, then you may again get angry and we can scuffle and fight each other.
First of all, I would like to know why are you putting this pen on my body? What is the reason behind this? Why?
I was putting and I was trying to tell you the importance of pen. Look, this is the importance of pen. Try to understand the importance of pen.
But this is the correct. This is not a correct way.
So what is the correct way? Will you tell me, will you convince me that what is the correct way to just tell the use of the pen?
Yes, this is the pen. This is the future of India. By using this pen, you can write your story. You can write your dreams on the paper. You can, give so many things by using this pen, because this is the great weapon to do something, to get something in the future for your society, for your country as
So
well.
you want to say that you will just try to tell the importance of the pen with the help of your tongue, just your words, right?
Yes, of course, we can explain.
What is the another use of the pen? Tell me.
There are so many uses,
Apart from writing, I'm just asking, apart from writing, what is the another use of the pen?
You can understand each. I mean, if you want to explain about the future plans, or if you want to
Without writing, can I say this is my future plan?
No, actually by using pen you can explain the situation. For example, this is the pen. If I will drop down this pen on the floor, so what will happen? Because there is a rule in physics as well. I think I forget right now.
Now that's good use. That's good use. So you have told. Can we also use this to just attack on someone?
No, this is not a weapon. We cannot attack by using pen.
So we can use it as a weapon, right? We can take the this pin and we can just poke somebody.
But I don't think I will do this, because
Why think you will place this pen and you will take the knife?
no, by using pen we can write our story. Pen is using for good things. It's not a weapon. If you are going to hit someone, it's not a good thing.
तो ठीक है फिर पेन को हटा के चाकू रख लेते.
But by using knife, you cannot write the story.
I cannot write the story.
Yes.
Why to write the story? Let's finish the story.
So why do you want to kill someone? What is the reason?
There is enmity. There is jealousy. There is hatred. There is problem.
So if you are facing a problem, so you have to work on yourself. Why do you want to kill someone?
He criticized me.
Yes.
I want to kill him.
If he is criticizing to you, so you have to take this criticism as a challenge
Okay.
and try to work on yourself.
Are you sure?
Criticism is a great thing. If you take it as a challenge and try to work on yourself, so definitely in the future you will become a better. And at that time, he will proud on you.
I think you are a crazy person.
Yeah, you can say that I'm crazy to learn something new.
You want to say that we should follow the path of the Gandhi ji, that if somebody slaps on right cheek, we should give the left cheek, right? ये मार लियो, थोड़ा इस पे भी मार लो.
Yes, I agree, but not completely. We have
You
to
want to say that we should use the knife, right?
No, I'm not saying that if someone, hit me by using knife, so I will try to handle this situation
How will you handle this situation? Will you hold the knife? Okay, bhai, bos रुको थोड़ा.
I will get. I will try to away from there.
You will try to get away.
Yes.
You will try to get away from there.
Yes, sir.
How would you like to escape, and how can you escape from there?
For example, if someone is attacking on me, so I can do one thing. I can run from there to protect ourselves, to protect myself as well. So I can run away.
Why can I trust you? Why can I trust you?
Sir, you can trust me because I am a very optimistic person. I don't believe in the fighting or all these things.
Where the sun rises? Where the sun rises? पूरब से निकल वेस्ट से निकलता है, पश्चिम से,
Yes.
ईस्ट से या वेस्ट से?
I am not come.
यू आर नॉट श्योर.
Sir, in English.
आप पूरब
East.
और पश्चिम नहीं जानते हैं.
Sir, east से निकल.
ईस्ट से निकलता है. आर यू श्योर?
Yes, I'm.
अगर कोई आपको बताता है पॉजिटिवली कि सूरज पश्चिम से निकलता है और ये बात आपको माननी है, तो आप उस केस में क्या करेंगे?
Definitely, this is the true thing. I will accept it.
पश्चिम से निकलता है.
नहीं, पूरब सूरज sunrise from east. So I will
बट
accept.
वो कह रहा है मान लो मेरी बात, नहीं तो चाकू निकाल लाओ.
No, no, I will not accept.
यू विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट.
You are telling lie. You are.
आप अगर एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे मैं चाकू भोंक दूंगा.
No, why? Why? I will try to protect myself.
भाई एक्सेप्ट करो, सूरज पश्चिम से निकलता है, मैं आपको अटैक कर दूंगा. अगर आप ये कहते हो पश्चिम से निकलता है तो मैं आपको छोड़ दूंगा.
No, at that time I will try to manage this situation. You know.
How will you manage the situation? He's a खसकीला दिमाग वाला इंसान.
I will tell you about the truth. I will tell you about the truth.
How
It's
is
not
not the truth? मैं आपको सिर्फ धमका रहा हूँ. आई एम थ्रेटनिंग यू. और मैं आपको इसलिए धमका रहा हूँ, मैं भी जानता हूँ सूरज पूरब से निकलता है, लेकिन मेरा दादागिरी ये है कि आप ये बताओ कि आपको सूरज जो है पश्चिम से निकलता है.
No, sir. Actually, at that time I will stand on my faith. You know.
You will stand on your faith.
Yes. Yes.
Sun rises from the east.
Yes.
You will not
stand-
compromise.
No, I will not compromise because
आपके पास एक हाथ है. आपके पास एक हाथ है.
no, sir. I do. I have 2 hands.
मान लो नहीं तो चाकू मार दो.
Why? Why you are going to hit me? I have 2 hands. Everybody knows.
But you have to believe because I am the dada and bhai of this area.
Sir, you are trying to push me to accept this, but I will not accept because this is the true. I have 2 hands, and if somebody is speaking in front of me, you have 1 hand, so I will not accept this.
Do you like jalebi?
Yes, of course, I like jalebi because it's our taste.
Don't eat jalebi.
But it's my personal things
That created diabetes actually, you know. Why to eat jalebi? That makes you diabetic.
that I'm not a diabetes patient.
But in future you will be after eating so many jalebi.
No, if you are a fit, you can eat. If you are suffering from diabetes, so at that time you can avoid these
You
things.
will not leave eating. You will not quit eating.
No,
नहीं छोड़ेंगे जलेबी खाना.
if I have been suffering from the diabetes, at that time I will avoid to eat.
You are the DM of a district. आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट है जिले के. उस जिले में हिंदू मुसलमान का दंगा हो जाता है. There is a riot of Hindu and Muslim. और आप मुस्लिम हैं. You are a Muslim. मौलाना साहब आते हैं मुस्लिम की तरफ से, बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा सा हमारी बात सुन लीजिए कि अपनी कम्युनिटी है, अपना धर्म की बात है, थोड़ा उसका पक्षपात ले लीजिए. आप मुस्लिम हैं. What will you do? क्या करेंगे आप?
So I will try to understand the situation, both the
The
positions.
situation is that कि पहले जो हिंदू धर्म था, they started fight. झगड़ा चालू कर दिया. And then आप हैं मुस्लिम डीएम. मुस्लिम वालों को पहले मारे, फिर मुस्लिम लोग उनको मारने लगे और दोनों they started fight. अब डीएम साहब मुस्लिम है.
Yes, if I am a Muslim, for example, but I am
You will favor Muslim.
no, I will not favor because I am
So you should favor your community. Why are you saying that you will not favor your community?
I will not favor because I am sitting on the chair. This is the Constitution of India. You know, India
Means that you want to say that you will not favor your community. जो community ने आपको पाल पोस के बड़ा किया, जिसमें आप पैदा हुए और जिसके आप यहाँ पे 26 साल के हो गए, आप उस community का फेवर नहीं करेंगे आप.
India is our country. We have to manage both all the religions to be together.
What about your community people जिनको मारा गया, जिनको तड़पाया गया, जिनको सबसे पहले उन पे पत्थर पड़े?
But as a constitution of India, it is our responsibility to manage both the things. If my community is wrong, so I will try to avoid this community and I will help those people who are correct at that
But
time.
your community was attacked first, na?
No, you are saying that the Hindus is
The Hindus attacked to Muslims.
yes.
So favor किसका करेंगे आप?
I will understand the situation. Who
अंडरस्टैंड होने के बाद भी फिर पता चल गया कि हिंदू ने मुस्लिम पे अटैक किया, फिर आप किसका फेवर करेंगे?
so I will try to
दिल भाग रहा है अपनी कम्युनिटी की तरफ?
no
जा रहा है?
no sir
नहीं. Are you sure?
no yes I am sorry.
You are the DM. Where will you go? किसका स्टैंड लेंगे? किसकी तरफ जाएंगे आप? Where will you go?
I will go with according to our constitutions.
Good answer. Okay. I want to understand what will be your first step? If there is a communal riot, if there is a communal fight, what will be your first step? Will you make an announcement? Will you just say to the police officers to handle the situations, or will you try to just fire the tear gases, golas? And what will you do in that case if there is a communal fight?
Yes, if I would like to go there and try to convince the people, why are you fighting?
And if they attack on you?
No, because we have a lot of forces with me.
So you will go there.
Yes,
You will talk to them.
yeah. Because as a DM, it is my responsibility to go there to make people understand. Because as a DM, people will listen you in a better way.
Listen to you.
Listen to you in a better way.
Okay.
And they are trying to understand my point of view.
They will try to
And what-
understand.
Yeah.
That's fine. You are in deep love. बहुत गहरी मोहब्बत है आपको. And you find that your love is with another love. What will you do? I can understand your pain. So sorry for this. So what are you doing now?
If I face any problem like this, so definitely I will try to convince my partner.
See, Abdurrahman, I liked you earlier, but I'm sorry now.
Okay, so I will try to do each and everything from my side to convince that.
Abdurrahman, please stop it.
Okay, it's up to you. If you want to continue with me, it's better for you and better for me.
I have got my
That if you think that
partner.
I am not the good person or I'm not suitable for you,
Look,
so it's
he is more handsome than you. He is more stronger, more fit, more good looking, more earning. Abdurrahman, where are you now? Right now, you are at the same position you were 5 years back. Look, Manav I have. Manav is my friend.
So whatever the things in which way you are saying that he is a good person for you.
He is more caring than you. He is more sharing than you. He is more educated than you. He is more earning than you. He is more good looking and handsome than you.
So how many days you have just spent with
I will spend 8 months.
So it means you are cheated me.
I don't know. You cheated me or I cheated you.
You cheated me.
I told
Because
you
you have
times. I told you many times. Please be good person. Please earn so much money because I need it.
please try to tell me what is my weakness, where I did the wrong thing.
Your weak is because you surrender yourself. You are like कि मैं 10,000 कमा रहा हूँ ठीक है इतने में लाइफ चल जाएगी. I don't want 10,000.
But I am trying to do better in my life.
You have been earning 10,000 for 2 years continuously. That's
Now,
our-
so now I am earning 10,000, but I'm learning new skills. In the future,
He is
I
earning
go-
70,000 per month.
so it means you are loving the money. You are not loving the people.
For life survival, money is important, Mr. Abdurrahman. Don't forget.
No, I don't think money is not important. If you have a money, you can buy a house but not home. If you have a money, you can buy a doctor but not health.
Abdurrahman, don't try to motivate me. First, I want to say that, for example, if we get married and if we become partner to each other and we have some desires, we will have kids. And what about what? Where will they take education? Primary school. Primary में अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाएंगे हम.
So for that, I'm doing the hard work. Nobody knows the future, but I will try to do each and everything for my kids, for you as well.
50,000 and he is going to have his own startup. And I will also cooperate. We both will work for our own startup and company. And you are still doing pani puri wala job.
So it depends upon your perception, how to take or how you understand the people. I'm working very hard to become a good in the future for the betterment of our future.
I think Abdurrahman, you will never improve.
I'm improving. It seems like it's your perception.
Why are you fall in love with me? Why did you fall in love with me? I just want.
Because you are a very optimistic, honest person.
No, because of my beauty.
No, I don't like beauty.
You don't like my beauty.
No, I don't like your. I like your qualities. I don't like your beauties.
It means I'm not beautiful.
You are beautiful, but I don't like your beauty. I like your qualities which you have.
And Manam said that I look so beautiful.
So what do you think? Beauty is good or quality is
If
good?
I am beautiful, you should compliment me. मैं हूँ खूबसूरत तो बताओ ना कि मैं खूबसूरत हूँ.
No, as a Muslim, I believe if you will, किसी की तारीफ करोगे तो तारीफ इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ शैतान. किसी के मुंह पे उसकी तारीफ नहीं करनी. जो हम
दूसरा 5 एनर है वो हमारी तारीफ ना करे बाहर वाले.
उसको पीछे करने चाहिए. सर दिस इज द वर्ड शैतान.
अब हम इम्प्रेस कहाँ होंगे? इससे हमें उम्मीद है कि हमारी वो तारीफ करे. हमने लहंगा पहना है, साड़ी पहनी है, जो भी पहना है, झुमका पहना है, चूड़ियाँ पहनी.
So I appreciating your qualities.
But you never said that I am beautiful.
You are beautiful, but I don't like your beauty. I impressed by your qualities.
Okay.
I am saying that.
So you want to say that you don't like my surat, but you like my sirat.
Yes. I believe.
ठीक है मिस्टर अब्दुल रहमान. ओके, आई वांट टू नो कि डू यू वांट ऑन योर डेथ डे, मौत के दिन आप क्या चाहते हैं?
Sajda, you know,
यू शुड बी इन द
and at that time, my die,
माय डेथ.
my death with my kalma. This is a, main pillar of Islam.
So if you go to the grave and if there is a farishta and farishte and if he asks you a question, man dinuka, what will be your answer?
My deen is Islam.
Man rabbuka,
My Rabb is Allah.
man nabiyuka.
My Nabi is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
What's the best quality of your prophet?
There are so many best qualities. He was very helping natures.
Have you adopted from the prophet of yours?
There are so many qualities I am adopting and I always try to use in my personal life as well. So, for example, if you see any person who is who is needy, so at that time you should go and help those people. So this is the great thing, which I implement in my life. When I came here, when I was coming here in the Happiness Institute, if I see any person in the metro, on the metro station, so I always try to help those people.
That's great. What if somebody wants to eat in 5-star hotel? He's able to eat in normal 3-star hotel, but he wants to eat in 5-star hotel. And he does not have that much budget. And he is asking, bhai 5-star mein khana khila.
Yeah, actually it's my nature. I never deny if someone help, ask the help.
That this is a necessity or a need of somebody that he wants to eat in 5-star hotel.
No, it's not necessary.
So will you help that person to eat in 5-star hotel?
I will try to ask why you want to eat, because food are very.
I love eating in 5-star hotel. I just want to explore 5-star hotel. Please, Abdul Rahman, try to understand and help.
So maybe he is very excited to know about the culture of 5-star.
Exactly. So will you help that person?
Yes, I will try, if I in the position at that time to provide the facility or to provide.
Abdul Rahman, I have one more choice. Please try to understand. I want to just fly in the plane.
Sir, I will try. First, I will try to tell you have to work on that. If you want.
फिर अपने 5-star वाले में क्यों नहीं?
Sir, because I am in the position at that time to help.
But you should be also in the position of helping me for the private jet. आप नहीं मदद करोगे तो मैं कहीं और मदद कर लेने जाऊंगा. आपने 5-star के लिए तो मुझे नहीं रोका. आपने मेरी मदद कर दी खाना खाने के लिए. आपने पैसा दे दिया. जहाँ पे आपको ये कहना चाहिए था कि आप खुद से कमाओ, खुद से बड़े आदमी बनाओ, फिर 5-star में जाओ. लेकिन आपने मेरी मदद की. फिर मैं प्राइवेट जेट के लिए भी किसी के यहाँ जाना चाहूंगा और मैं मदद लेना चाहूंगा किसी और की.
Sir, I will try to tell that asking help is not a good thing. First, you need to fulfill your.
So you want to say to all the beggars, please stop begging. आप हर भिखारी से कहना चाहते हैं भीख मांगना.
I agree this point. First, if any people ask for the help, first try to tell that this is not a good thing. You have to work. You have to work hard.
Last question. Find 10 beggars in the line. What will be your single line for? 10 लोग खड़े हैं भिखारी, पैसा मांग रहे हैं. आपकी सिंगल लाइन उनके लिए स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा?
Sir, I will tell.
अच्छा है लाइन, सिंगल स्टेटमेंट, एक लाइन का स्टेटमेंट होना चाहिए और उससे वो समझ जाए या निखर जाए या बिखर जाए.
Sir, hard work. They are not doing. Sir,
दे आर डूइंग, कर रहे हैं. कटोरा लेके खड़े हैं धूप में, आपको नहीं लगता हार्ड वर्क है ये? दिस इज हार्ड वर्क.
but they are doing not in a correct way.
हार्ड वर्क इज नेवर नोन एज अ करेक्ट वे. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ हार्ड वर्क? झाड़ू लगाने वाला हार्ड वर्क है, बर्तन धुलने वाला हार्ड वर्क है, धूप में भीख मांगने वाला भी हार्ड.
Sir, I would like to add one point. That is the smart work. Along with your hard work, you have to work in your smart work.
फॉर भीख. मैं स्मार्ट वर्क तो कर रहा हूँ, पेटीएम और फोन पे का क्यूआर कोड लेके चल रहा हूँ भीख मांगने. अब कितना स्मार्ट वर्क करूँ? यूपीआई चालू कर.
But beggar is not using the Paytm because they don't have the money.
दे यूज द पेटीएम. आजकल स्मार्ट बेगर्स आ गए हैं मार्केट में और आप इनकरेज कर रहे हैं कि स्मार्ट वर्क करो. मैं तो कर रहा हूँ ना. वो 10 कह रहे हैं सर देखिए क्यूआर कोड लेके खड़े. अब आप उनको क्या कहेंगे? आपका दोनों लाइन फेल हो गया.
I would like to tell that Allah has given you the chance to do something better than this.
सर, आवर लाइफ इज बेटर देन यू. आप महीने का 15, 20, 25 कमाते हैं, हम 60 कमाते हैं. सर हम खुश हैं. वी आर हैप्पी सर. प्लीज आप हमारे इस काम को रोकने की जरूरत ना करें. हमारे घर पे एसी, फ्रिज, वॉशिंग मशीन सब कुछ है सर. हम 4-wheeler भी लेने वाले हैं इधर.
Sir, we can suggest someone, but we cannot change the mind of the people.
दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि आपकी क्या ऐसी बात होगी जो माइंड चेंज करे, जो रियल में समझे कि भीख मांगना इज नॉट अ गुड टास्क. ये किसी के सामने मजबूर होने वाली बात है. हमारे पास ऊपर वाले ने 2 हाथ पैर मजबूत दिए, हमें कमाना चाहिए, कुछ और करना चाहिए. बट वी आर बेगिंग, हम भीख मांग रहे हैं. उनको ये एहसास कौन दिलाएगा? आप कह रहे स्मार्ट वर्क, वो कह रहे पेटीएम करो. आप कह रहे हार्ड वर्क, वो कह रहे धूप में हम खड़े. दे आर लिविंग देयर लाइफ.
No, sir, they are not living the life. They are just wasting the time.
वेस्टिंग द टाइम. किसी ने ऐसा गाड़ी सिलाई नहीं बोली थी. मैं किसी ने कहा अभी जब हम इंडिया गेट गए थे तो बोला कि हमारे पास टाइम था थोड़ा, हमें भेलपूरी ही बेच लेना चाहिए था, तो टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होता। तो किसी ने बोला, मिस्टर नईम ने बोला कि वो टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं इसीलिए तो भेलपूरी बेच रहे हैं। तो क्या आपको लगता है हर भिखारी टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है या इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है?
Sir, according to me, they are wasting time because they have the capability to earn more and more money in their life.
That's fine. Thank you so much, Abdul Rahman.